Hello everyone, this is Colin here, and today I've got a really short and easy video for you. This is an Apple AirTag, which if you're watching this video you probably already know that it's a low-cost, battery-powered, subscription-free tracking device that is a great potential anti-theft device, especially at $25 or so a pop. The downside to Apple AirTags is that they make noise. In fact, we'll go pull the battery tab off this brand new one here so you can hear it. And the making noise thing is, I guess, great if you've dropped your keys in the sofa and are trying to find them, and then the AirTag makes noise for you to find it. But it's not so good if, say, you're putting this AirTag on a bicycle that keeps getting stolen, so you can track it down more easily. You don't very well want the thief to hear the AirTag going off and realize that he's being tracked on his stolen property. So today I'm going to show you how to make it so an AirTag does not make noise anymore. Let's get started. So to do this job you're going to need a few things. In fact, probably only two things, but I've got three here. Some of you who have worked on one of the original iPod classics or iPod videos will recognize this as an iPod opening tool, and this is an eyeglass screwdriver. Apple replicated their old trick of reusing a similar closing mechanism with the AirPods as they did with the old iPods. And unfortunately it's all plastic, so you have to be very careful when you do it. So there is a tab here, here, and here. That's what holds the battery case on. Immediately adjacent to that tab right here is the clip that holds this grayish piece of plastic to the white cover. And there's a very, very thin seam here, just like the iPods. So if you take your little iPod opening tool and apply it to these three joints carefully, you can unclip the gray piece of plastic from the white piece of plastic and not damage or break the clips, and then you can just snap it back together when you're done, rather than the glue it back together approach I've seen on some other videos. So I'm gonna do my very best not to break this one when I do this, and we'll demonstrate how it works. So here goes. Okay, I perhaps didn't do quite as good a job on that one as I could have. It was a bit rough, but I did manage to open it without destroying the three tabs. See, I've still all three of them. Last one I did, I accidentally knocked one of the three off, but the other two were able to hold it. So anyway, that's, and also slightly off on the location of the tabs. They are in fact right where that gap is. If you see the gaps, that is in fact where the tab is. So it helps start on this side and then slide it just over there to pop it loose. Anyway, that was more or less successful. Got it open without breaking it. This guy here in the middle is the speaker. So you just take your eyeglass screwdriver and pop it out. And with that out, the AirPod will still function, but will not be able to make noise, which may actually improve the battery life a bit. Then you just snap it back together, lining up the tabs with the slots. No glue required. And then to show that it works here, let's put the battery back in and verify that we have functionality here. As you can hear or not hear, it does not beep anymore. So let's get our iPod over here and see if we can get it to connect. And there you go. You've got it seeing the AirTag. And this one is going to be Victoria's bike. Anyway, you get the idea. It works. It doesn't make noise anymore, and now you can put this on your bike or what other item that you're trying to protect from theft without worrying about it making noise and tipping off the would-be thief. and then you don't have to glue the thing back together afterwards either. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching.